All right, I'm just checking in. About to plastic gauge the crank. Got some of this stuff from went down to Summit Racing. Got the plastic gauge. So I'm going to measure the crank and bearings. I got the all the parts to refresh the engine. Let's see, there's gasket, bunch of gasket sets. I think there's the might be the main bearings there. Chain guides. What is that? Oil. That's the oil drain back tube. Those are the those little seals for the valve stems. Tons of gaskets. Got some more stuff down here. There's a timing chain, oil pump chain, rear main seal, more chain guides. Anyway, I think it's like $800 or so, $700 to $800 for everything I need to refresh the engine. Basically put it back together. I just cut the timing chain off, the old one, with some bolt cutters, because I didn't want to bother with trying to, let me turn this on. Oh, there we go, should be some light now. So this is the timing mechanism. Timing chain rides on that. But I didn't want to, you notice that thing spins real easy. So trying to unscrew that to take it off, I guess I'd have to like wedge a pry bar in there. Anyway, I didn't want to screw with that. I assume this is absolutely fine. So, but then I started to turn it, and I don't know if you can hear this, but listen. It's almost like there's a piece of metal sliding back and forth on a shaft or something in there. Here it is. Here it is again. There it is again. And it's a consistent sound. It's like it's like a weight is going back and forth, back and forth. So I don't know what that is. I don't know if I need to take this off, take it apart, and inspect it. I don't know what's inside of here. I don't know if you can hear that on video. I mean, when you spin it fast, you don't hear anything, but something is something's inside there that moves around. So I don't know. I'm going to post this video. Not sure if I want to take this off or not. I know that's a really weird question, but maybe somebody knows what's inside there making that noise. Let me know.